Yo, Daniel, this is serious business. Are you in?
Let's get it.
Fuck you, bro.
What happened? Yo. We are back. Yup. We took a 3-month break.
Season 2, boys.
And we got Daniel here. We got season 2 coming along. Whatever you may call it, season 2.
Act 2.
Act 2.
Part 2.
Part 2. We didn't mean for this break, but we just been busy. Daniel got work.
Man, I got Corona.
I got Corona. I got school. But thanks to the Corona, or maybe thank not to the Corona, depending how you look at it, right?
Yeah. Glass half full or glass half
Glass
empty?
half full, glass half empty. For me, it's kind of in between because now I won't be able to graduate this year. For Daniel, what is more half full?
My restaurant closed.
So that's
I
good
got a
thing.
vacation.
That's right. And we're supposed to have Zeke here, but we might just
quarantine.
He's been quarantined.
Quarantine.
Quarantined from us because we hit him up. He just doesn't want to hang out. I don't know. We might have to drop him from the click. We are back, season 2, and there's no other correct way to start off this season than with the toast. And with the toast of that Rona.
Corona.
Toast to season 2. Here we go. Oh fuck,
I thought we were
alcoholic.
gonna kill it.
We got, sorry
I
guys.
saw you not doing it.
I don't know if you guys remember from last season, this guy is the alcoholic. So he was
Bro,
about
I
it.
just broke my 3-month sobriety.
He just broke
for
his
season 2.
For season 2. Daniel, what's one unique thing about you that these YouTubers or these viewers, sorry, must know?
Oh man, way to put me on the spot, bro. Unique.
Unique. If you don't got one, I got one. This guy Daniel, for our graduation in high school, snuck a bird in. More specific, what was it?
A dove.
A dove.
But I call it a dove.
A dove. He snuck it in a soccer bag to throw it out once they call his name. They call his name, he walks the stage, he throws the dove after having it in there for about 45 minutes, just plummets.
It dove
Roll
to
the
the
clip.
ground.
It dove to the ground. It I have a lot of fans out there that have been hitting me up. Yo, Matt, when are you gonna start season 2? Damn, bro, drinking a lot there, huh? Yeah, I mean, that was just for this bit, but.
Oh, I thought it was just the finish.
But anyway, we're here for season 2, and Zeke's supposed to be here, but he's not, so we're gonna have to do it without him.
Like and subscribe.
Like
I'll
and
give you guys
subscribe.
a discount to my OnlyFans. I'm working from home right now.
Yeah, this guy is gonna make an OnlyFans. We'll shoot you guys a link once that's up, and yeah, season 2 starts now. Let's get it. All right, Dad, come on, let's play 1-on-1. First one of 3 wins. I practice so much indoor basketball.
Yeah, bro.
I'm thinking of making an indoor basketball league because you know this coronavirus. Going on. Indoor basketball league at Matt's house. So if you guys want to come in, sign up. $1,000 is a prize. Let me show you what I got.
We got Coronas to drink for halftime.
Shit, another one. This is my shot. You getting this? All day. Alright, me and Daddy gonna play 1-on-1. We're gonna do up to 3.
Who's taking out?
Alright, take out. Ready?
Oh! That's a fucking foul, dog.
Fuck that. Oh, I ain't see it coming. Prison rules, motherfucker. Let's go.
Oh!
Get out, bitch. Prison rules. Indoor basketball. Mat rules. This is how we do it. What's up? Don't tell me that hurt, bro.
You got the tip, my guy.
Alright, my guy, let's go.
Alright, just don't do that shit again, bro.
Oh, it's feeling aggressive now. It's feeling aggressive now. Oh!
Bro, what the
What's up, bitch?
Where's he going?
Nah,
What's
fuck
up?
you, bro.
What happened?
Oh.
What are you doing, bro? What are you doing, bro? Fuck.
Nah, fuck you, bro.
Yo, what the hell's wrong with you? Why would you do that? Come here.
Nah, fuck all that.
Hey, what the
fuck?
Dude, this guy really got mad.
This game when you fucking hit me in the dick?
Hey, bitch, don't be fucking hitting my fucking car because you can't play a fucking game, dude.
Dude, he
fuck?
really
Hey,
dented
next time
it?
you fucking try to hit my car like that, bitch, you better fucking hit that shit hard like a fucking man, like that.
Shit.
Holy shit. Better hit it fucking hard. Next time you want to hit my car, hit it like this. Like that, motherfucker. Don't be fucking touching my car, bro. Get out of here, bitch. How am I looking? Looking good? Alright. Get a load of this. See that chick over there? See her? Fuck her. Hey, what's up, cutie?
Hi.
What's your name?
Natalie.
I'm Matthew. Thought you looked cute, so I thought I'd get your number.
Oh, thanks.
What, you want to go out for dinner tonight?
No, I'm actually going out to dinner later, and I
Oh,
also
you
have
sure?
a boyfriend.
Oh, that's well. I never asked if you had a boyfriend. You know, we could just be friends and everything. But if you want to go on a second dinner, you know, you can come on by. You know, I said I thought you looked cute, and you know, I just thought I'd pick you up. But what was that?
That's your car?
Yeah, this is my car.
Oh, you know, maybe we can go out to dinner later.
Oh, now. Oh, I see. I see how this works. You see my car, and now you want to go out for dinner. Nah, thank you. I don't like gold diggers. Tough luck. Alright guys, I'm outies. Gotta go deliver this bowl of cereal. Fortunately, we're losing this great beast.
Had a good run.
Had a good run.
Push, believe,
Push and believe.
enjoy it.
Enjoy it. This car has a lot of great memories. And sadly, I had to retire it. But it's alright. So move on to big and better things. So, see you guys in the long run. Hallelujah, baby. Ah, yes, there she goes. This car has brought us a lot of great memories. All the laughter, all those crazy moments. This car was there through it all. All the ups, all the downs. Thank you. Thank you for the last 3 great years. It's been a pleasure. But now, it's time to let go and move on to bigger and better things. The V8, 661 horsepower, turbocharged, premium fuel, 7-speed automatic, rear wheel drive, Ferrari 488. No. Not this car. This car is $300,000. There's no way I can afford that. I really just enjoy this B-roll. For now, it's just me and my skateboard. Thank you for watching. Hit the fucking wrong car, dude. You're supposed to hit that truck.
Oh shit.
That's my mom's car that you just hit. You idiot. And there she goes. She's gonna go off just as that van is going off.